Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of good idea to do some talking because that's what the idea of this show is, practicing talking. And I haven't been able to talk for the last couple of days. I think it was in the fires were way up. Like, BC's on fire right now. And I think I saw someone in Seattle or someone quite far away saying they had smoke too. I mean, the actual fire's way the heck up. 100 miles, that's 100 miles from here. Well, not 50 miles. But it's definitely smoky. And I haven't been able to talk very well. But now I can, if only I can get rid of that rumble in my throat. So this is Friday Idealism. Well, for this week, I mostly just looked at property. I found enough desert land. No, I didn't. I'm going to this week. Well, I got pretty close, like $250 an acre is probably realistic, because some of it's being well given away. So if we can get 4 acres for $1,000, then we only need, I don't know, I'm guessing $100,000. But I need to do that research too, is find out how many square kilometers I'm looking for. Because I've already kind of given up on the idea. The other 90% is gonna have to be done by average people. Because I don't see the people who have the money stepping forward. They're being dogs. But such is life. You can do it. And so how does it begin? Well, I was thinking if I took 50 acres of my own land and tried to make it as carbon attracting as possible, that would be important. And I need to know for sure whether algae isn't the way to go for all this stuff. Like, if you pump seawater onto a piece of desert, isn't it gonna drain away? Or can you make a pond? Because if you make a pond and grow algae, man, that seems to be... Well, I remember this statistic before on how to make biogas, and it was like corn was something 9. Most of the ethanol we get is made of corn. And algae was like 50 what units of something. I can't remember. And then, well, I mean, that's the important question. Because if it's a question of figuring out how to trap water, I guess we'll have to use pond liners. That's plastic. That's the oil companies. Let's get them to pay. And then they also have to pay for plastic pipes. Because seawater is kind of like, I think seawater should be big because the ocean level's rising. So we need to deliver it to everywhere. Everyone who has use for it. But I mean, we don't need seawater to Canada. We have 12% of the fresh water in the world. But we do need water to Baja, Mexico. I think Baja, Mexico might be biggest I was looking at it. I haven't got good prices yet. I don't know how much money you have to pay for a piece of land down there. But there's some desert near ocean. That's the answer. And I think, yeah, that's a good place to buy some. But the thing is, there's lots in America too. But I don't, like on my YouTube right now, I have 99% Canadian and 99% males too. We should start a hockey team. That's a weird thing because I don't know, maybe it's me. Because when I test my movies, sometimes I get 4 or 5 views. Like I have over 400 views now. I'm in that kind of really annoying stage where, as people say, the first 1,000 is really hard. And then after that, it starts flowing. But man, what are we talking? Yeah, if anybody's a real estate agent, I kind of need your help this week because, oh, hold it. I have to take my pills when that alarm goes off. I can keep recording. I just have to find the bills. Where are they? Somewhere up here? So I'm actually moving the camera when I do that. I have to look behind the screen because I need to find these bills. These jars are awesome because I was taking a lot of drinks and spilling them. And you have to do lots of liquids when in this business. Like, I don't know, 9 of those a day? Something like that. That's a factor. Anyway, the thing of it is, I'm gonna talk myself into this is a problem because if I want to buy some desert land, there's places all over the world that it's possible. It doesn't have to be the Sahara because the Sahara is kind of, I don't know. I mean, when I looked up the listing for the Outback Australia, some of that is subdivided. There's some land out there. Could probably buy a big ranch with 1,000 acres. But how are foreigners allowed to buy land out there? I don't know that stuff. And also, like the Sahara kind of freaks me out. I don't know if it's possible to buy land there. Mexico is more feasible. Mexico, I might actually be able to visit. And then one of the other places, well, I think Argentina, I've never been there, but Argentina probably has some cheap land. I don't know. I mean, Portugal has some dry land, and Spain. I need someone smart to tell me what to do.